I want to maintain my grip on power, to develop my own community. But there's one obstacle standing in my way. The peace and unity of Tangalewaja. They are a thorn in our side. We must destroy their harmony. I need someone who will go penetrate into their community, create chaos, disagreements, if possible, conflict. When they are disunited, that is how we are going to continue ruling. We will rule as we develop our own community. For theirs, nothing to talk about. So, you will go and do that work. I trust you can do it.
Honorable, it is not an easy task, but I will do my best and all best.
Go. Go.
Please forgive my boldness, but I bring news from Shongom. I have been gathering of warriors near your border. I saw it myself. And soldier training in the hills.
Shongom?
Yes.
Why would they do that?
Shongom see Waja strength as a threat. That is why they gang against your kingdom.
So Shongom wants to challenge us.
Yes.
Very well then. We shall show them that Waja fears nobody.
Greetings.
You are welcome, my brother.
I bring alarming news from Tula and Waja. These people gang against your progress.
Why will the people of Tula and Waja want to do that? They have always respected our forefathers and our scholars. Why will they want to betray us now?
Perhaps enemies of progress.
I tell you one thing today. if they try, the God of our ancestors, the God that I worship, I will not let them to go away with any of our properties on this land.
Sir, forgive my manners. I should have brought this news earlier than now. I saw a man from Billiri cultivating in our land. I thought this man is working to be paid. Until today, I realize this man has been cultivating in Kaltungo territory.
Well, we are aware of that. We are aware that that territory is the border between us and the people of Billiri. We used to allow them to cultivate that land, and they also vice versa.
Yes. Inyimo, I know you are not aware of their plans. They are going to take over Kaltungo land and Kaltungo at large.
No, this can't be possible. This can't be true.
It is true. I heard them with my own ears.
These people are trying to bite more than they can chew. Soon, they will get what they are looking for.
You have to come out with a plan. I remain humble, sir.
You're welcome.
I bring an alarming news from people of Kaltungo and Shongom, plotting against you and your community. How they can take over the entire community.
How do you know about that?
I was there in their midst.
Kaltungo and Shongom, my own brothers, plotted to take over my land and my community. That's okay. That's all right. I know what to do.
Now that I have planted hatred among all the kingdoms, I will sit and watch all of them running to me for help. And I'll finally make them my subjects just like I always wanted. When they are disunited, I will keep ruling them, and there will be no future development in their communities. Desire accomplished.
Shadows, a deceiver among us. Ibrahim. Hmm. Ibrahim. Ibrahim. This darkness, it must be brought to light before it's too late. Each of you have suffered because of Ibrahim's lies. He has turned our kingdoms against each other. But I've seen the truth. He is using us. And together, we must stop him.
How then can we be sure? The kingdoms are on bricks of war, all because of the whispers and rumors.
If truly he's behind this, we need proof. Our leaders will not be convinced with words now.
Then, we will find proof. I have seen him
Under many disguises. A scrap, a merchant, a farmer. He slipped into among us with poisons in his words.
Then let's catch him in the act.
He is the deceiver, the one who has poisoned us all.
You have accused me without proof. What a bold and reckless choice you have.
Catch him.
Enough! You have done enough damage.
You, Ibrahim, you used our fears against us. You almost destroyed everything that we hold dear to us. You, Ibrahim, you will face the full wrath of the law for dividing us against each other. But however, elders, let us look in between where we have faulted, where we have gone wrong for believing in this rat. Thank you.
Ibrahim, yes. If you allow people like you succeed, we know the cause of distrust now. We won't let it rule over us again.
You may unite now. But remember, it was so easy throwing you against one another. You will fall again in time.
Just like the elder said, you are going to face the full wrath of your crime. Take it away.
From this day, let us work together in peace and unity to work against those who seek to divide us.
The people of Kaltungo, the people of Shongom, the people of Billiri, the people of Cham, the people of Bamba, the people of Daria, the people of Tula, indeed, the people of Tangalewaja as a whole. We must realize that we have common enemies. The tail bearer, the rumor monger,
the gossip monger. These are enemies that we must make sure that we destroy. We have to bring them under foot. My people, the people of Tangalewaja, united we stand,
Divided we fall.